Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are good.
Afternoon, sir.
Inshallah, you're all well and ready for listening to the lesson. Okay, as usual, before we start, let's pray. Pray begin. Pray finish. Okay, 12 students are already in the classroom. Still, some of you are not here. So please, as usual, please you fill in the attendance before we start. The attendance list is in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I can give also the link in this chat room. Please, everyone can see in the chat room. Okay, let me share my screen. I'm sorry, I have to turn off my video because it's getting slower, the internet connection. So I can write. Okay. Now you see, did you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we are going to continue with the chemistry lesson 22, video conference, September 8, 2020. It's still about the electronic configuration. Yeah, still continue to learn about electronic configuration. Okay, but before that one, let's make a quick review about the electronic configuration. Okay, anyone remember how many rules we learned last lesson?
Three rules.
3 rules, good.
Sir.
Learn about the electronic configuration. What is the first one?
Pauli.
No electron
Pauli's exception.
configuration same.
Yes, Pauli. Is it
Pauli's exception.
exclusion or exception principle? What you learn in Pauli exclusion principle?
There is no two in one
orbital max
orbital
2.
there that can be
There
two
can be no two same
two
quantum
electron
numbers.
that have the same spin.
Okay, electron in an orbital cannot have the same quantum
Same
number,
spin.
right? So every electrons in the atoms will have different address. If we have 11 electron, then there will be 11 address. So it will show us that in an orbital, there must be maximally how many electron? In an orbital, maximum, it will be?
2.
Yeah, maximum then there will be 2 electron because we have only 2 possibility for the spin, which is spin up and spin down. So that's why maximally in one orbital we will have 2 electron. That's the Pauli exclusion principle. What is the second principle? Do you remember?
Aufbau.
Yeah,
Aufbau.
Aufbaus is called as Aufbau process, Aufbau order, or Aufbau energy is the same, yeah, but it's Aufbau. Sometimes called as a process, sometimes called as Aufbau energy, sometimes called as an Aufbau order, but it's all belong to the same thing, so it's Aufbau principle. Have you memorized the Aufbau energy order? Do you remember? I told you to memorize this one.
Yes, sir.
S, SP,
Yes, sir.
PD.
SDP, SFDP, SFDP,
and
SFDP, SFDP.
SFP. So this is the order of energy of the orbitals. Okay, and we are going to fill in the orbital with the electron starting from the lower energy orbital. So that's why the order of the energy is important to be known. Okay, so the second one. What is the third one?
Han.
Han.
Yes,
Han.
Planck's law.
And
Talking about
rule.
what?
There is no in one orbital. There is no two electrons that have the same spin number, like two numbers with
It's
positive
Pauli.
spin number.
It's Pauli principle. Pauli principle tell about maximum unpaired electron, isn't it? When you distribute the electron in the orbital, you have to make the electron maximum unpaired in the orbital. For example, if I have 3 orbitals like this, subshell P or orbital P have 3 orbitals, then how to distribute the electron? The first electron up, the second electron again up, the third electron again up. All of them must be up first, and it is unpaired. All of them must be unpaired first, and then after that, after you maximally makes the electron unpaired, then the second, the fourth electron will be down. The fifth electron also will be down, and the last electron also will be down. So first you will make it maximally unpaired, the electron. Okay, before its maximum become unpaired, you cannot make the electron paired. Okay, is it clear? This is what we learned last lesson. Okay, now let's continue now to the lesson today. Today we are going to do exercises actually, because actually we have finished the topic about electron configuration, but you need more exercise for this. So let's do this one. Example number 1. Find the values of quantum numbers for hydrogen atoms. Now the question is for hydrogen atoms. And we are asked the quantum numbers value. Okay, now how to answer this? Do you know what is the number of electron in hydrogen atoms?
1.
It is only 1. How do you know this one? How do you know it's 1 electron?
Because it is neutral and it has only 1 proton.
Yes, the proton is 1 here, yeah, because the atomic number is 1, so the proton will be 1 because it's neutral. Then the electron also will be 1. Yeah, everybody understood this one? Okay. Okay, now then, how I can distribute this 1 electron in the orbitals? In which orbital is this 1 electron?
1 S.
One.
A.
It must be in 1s, the lowest orbital, right? The lowest orbital is 1s. It is in subshell S. Okay, and we will put 1 electron here in the superscript, showing you that there is 1 electron in the orbital S. Okay, if I'm drawing the orbital with line, then there will be 1 electron here. Okay, and this 1 electron, because this is only 1 and it's unpaired, the possibility to have the spin can be 2. It can be up or it can be down, isn't it? But
Yes.
if it is 1, then you can say that the spin number can be half, can be minus half. But generally, we have a consensus. If it is unpaired, generally we choose the positive one. So we choose the upper one, the up one. Yeah. So it is S equal to plus half. But if there is a choice plus half or minus half, then the choice is the better choice. So what I mean here, this electron now, one electron of hydrogen atom, we have to find the quantum numbers. What is how many quantum numbers we have?
4.
Four,
4.
isn't it?
4.
L
ML.
and
MS.
I like to use
S. Yes.
instead of MS, yeah. I like to use S instead of MS. It is the same, spin quantum number. Okay, now let's find what is the principal quantum number for this. For this one electron, it is
N equal 1. N
One,
equal
one,
1.
one, yeah, because this number show you the quantum principal quantum number. So it is 1. L,
S 0.
S.
yeah, L is the
Zero.
special because so what's the value for L?
S. Yes.
It is
0.
0.
0. 0.
0.
no.
1. 1.
How do you get the ML?
Possibility of the number
Possibility is 1.
possibility of S
Zero.
is only 1.
The possibility of the
1.
orientation of the orbital. Now S is only have
One.
one orbital. What is the value for ML here?
1.
Are you sure?
Yes.
0. 0. 0. 0.
Yeah. It
Zero.
must,
Zero, sir.
if it's only 1, the value must be 0, not 1. Okay. This is the value of ML is 0 here. What is the S?
Plus half.
Plus half.
Positive
Plus
half.
half.
Actually, if you have the choice like this, it is the better choice. If there is OR here, this is the better choice. So the possibility is can be half, can be minus half. But if there is no 2 number here, then you will choose the half one as the priority. The first priority is the up one, which is positive. But if there is a choice like this is the better choice. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer. As you can see here, there is a possibility here. If there is a possibility here, then this is the better choice. But even in multiple choice, sometimes you are not given the possibility like this. Maybe they will give only a half or minus half. Then at that time, if there is only one electron, then the priority, the first priority will be plus half. Okay? Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Now it is lithium-3, but the question is wrong here a little bit. So the values of possible quantum number for lithium atom. The question is only the last electron. Yeah, because lithium have not only one electron. Lithium have how many electron according to the question? How many electron of lithium?
3.
Yes,
3.
3.
of lithium, because we see that the atomic number is 3, so there will be 3 electron here. So if the equation is 3 of them, so there will be many quantum number, but there is something missing here in the equation. It must be what is the quantum number of the last electron. The equation is last electron. Okay. Okay, let's try to answer this. Let's write the electronic configuration for this. What is the electronic configuration for lithium-3? We start with what?
1s. 1s quadrat.
1s?
2.
2. Good.
Square.
Oh, sorry.
Square.
Wait a minute. I have to charge my laptop. Okay. Sorry. Oh, something not good here. No. Wait a little bit. I have to. Okay. Now the connection is not good. So I couldn't write. Okay. So 1s2 and then 1s2 then what else? Hello guys. Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
I have problem with the connection. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now lithium, it is 1s2 and then
2s1.
2s1, yeah, because
One.
we have 3 electron. Okay, now let's find what is the quantum number for the last electron. This is the last electron. Okay, and
2
L. This way,
s
show you the n. L is
0
equal to
0.
0
0.
ml.
0
It's also 0 because
0
S only have one orbital, so the only possible ml value is 0. What is S?
s
Plus
is
half.
equal
Half
Half or
or
half.
or minus half.
Minus half.
minus
Okay. So this is for the last electron. How about these 2 electron? I have another 2 electron here. If I'm drawing the what orbital, then it is will be the first one is up, the second one is down. For the up one, let's find the quantum number for the first electron. N will
s
be
equal 1
1, L
1
equal to
2
L
s astaga
is
0, 0, 0.
s
0, ML
0.
0
0, S
plus half
Plus half.
Plus half or
positive
minus
half.
half.
now it is only plus half, not possibility because it's already paired. Kalau ini sudah dipasangkan, jadi tidak possibility lagi. This is not the possibility. It's already clear that this electron which is up is half the S. But for this electron, then there will be different. N will be equal to 1, L will be equal to 0, ML will be equal to 0, and S will be equal to minus half. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any question up to here? Do you have any question? No? Okay, let's continue then. So this is the answer. Now, okay. Now we are going to use the book, this book. Everybody have this book, right? Kimia Unggul Sudarmo. Yeah. We are going to choose some of the problem from this book. Please everybody open the books, page 57, I think. Yes, page 57. That is Latihan 2.5. We are going to solve the question from there. Okay? Okay, so it is Latihan. It is a Latihan 2.5 from the book, page 57. Okay, we're going to solve number 3, guys. Okay, and we're going to start from part A. Number 3, part A, it is sodium 11, isn't it? Sodium 11. How I can write the electronic configuration for this?
11 1s2
1s2,
2s2
2s2,
1p
S,
2p
2p,
2p 4 Oh, 6 kan.
3s1.
7 electron.
3s1. 3s1. 3s1.
3s1.
1.
1.
Good. Let's find the quantum number for this last electron. N will be
3.
3. L will be
0.
0. ML
0.
0
S will be,
Plus
Plus
half
or minus
half.
yeah, it depends on half or minus half. Good. Okay. Any question for part A?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's do part B now. Aluminum 13. So it is 1s2, 2s,
2s2.
2,
2.
S2 2p6
2p6.
2p6,
S3
3s,
3s3,
3s1. 3s3.
3s2. 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 3s2.
3s3,
3p1. 3p1.
3p.
oh ya 3p1,
3p1.
3p1.
1.
How many orbital in P?
2.
2.
2.
2,
sir.
3. Okay, 3 orbital in P, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Now let's find the quantum number. N equal to
1.
Oh,
Equal 3. 3. 3. 3.
last electron. N equal to L
3.
3
3.
P.
Oh, P. 1.
1
1.
This
1.
1.
1.
minus 1
-1.
Okay, now for ML, you have two value of ML, starting from minus L to plus L, including 0.
Minus
So minus 1, 0, plus
0 and 1.
where is the electron? The electron is in
Di
here.
antara ketiga itu.
Okay.
Oh.
So generally, we have the possibility within this 3 orbital, but generally, this is our consensus. We are going to start from the left. We are going to start from the minus 1. Okay. So for here, the ML will be minus 1. How about S?
Plus half or minus half.
Yeah, still we have
Positive half.
possibility for here. Good. Okay, C now, calcium 20. Okay, calcium 20. Okay, we start with what? 1s,
1s2,
1s2 2s
2s2,
then
2p6,
3s2.
3s2,
3s2, then
3p6,
okay, then
4s2,
4s2.
4s.
4s2.
Now it's 20 already. 2 to 6, 2, 6, 2, so 20. So this is the electronic configuration for calcium. Good. Any question up to here, guys? ABC is okay? Can we move? Okay? Everything okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Sorry. So now we will continue with D, but I have to erase first. Okay. Then D, part D, it is bromium. Sorry, not bromium. Brom. 35. Whoa, it's a big number. Let's do it. 1s2, 2s2,
Yes.
and
3.
2p6,
2p6
2p6.
2p6,
2p6
then
3s2
3s,
3s2.
3p6
3p6,
Good. Then
4s2, 3
4p6
3d, 3d,
before 4P, there must be 3D.
3D,
how many orbitals?
12.
3D 10.
10. No,
10.
let's count. 2 to 6, 10. 2, 6 to 10, 20, 30. Already 30. 5 more electron. After 3D,
4p6.
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 SDP. Oh yeah, SDP 4p6.
4B.
6.
Oh,
5.
5. Because we have
Oh,
5 electron. So if I'm drawing the orbital like this, p orbital have 3. So 1, the first electron, the second electron, the third electron, all of them must be unpaired first. The fourth electron and the fifth electron. If I'm asking you what is the quantum number for the last electron, this one, then n will be
minus half.
n will be
N will be 4.
4. L will be
1.
1. ML will be in the middle.
0, 0, 0, 0.
Because it's minus
Yeah.
1, 0, plus 1. And S will be
Minus half.
minus
one.
Half.
Minus half.
last electron for a bromine. Okay, now the next one, E, iodine, 53. Now getting bigger the number. Okay, let's do it. 1s2, 2s2,
2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6,
3p6.
4s2,
4s2, 3d10,
3d10.
4p5,
4p6.
4p6.
46.
Yes.
Now, okay, after 4p,
5s2.
SDP 5s. 5s2.
5s2,
5s2,
4d10.
4d10.
D10.
10, 2,
5p6. 5p6.
8,
5p5.
5p,
8.
P5.
5p5. 5p5.
5p5.
5p5.
yeah. As you can see, guys, here, when you write the electronic configuration like this, it is a very long way to write. So there is a simple way to write. What is the simple way to write? The simplest way to write is you are going to use something like helping element. And the helping element is only the element in group, the last element in the periodic table. Yeah, the last group of element in the periodic table. And it is helium 2, neon 10, argon it is 18, and krypton it is 36, and so on. So if I'm using this helping element, then I can do like this. For example, for this 10, 20, 36. So this one is 36, right? Until here. Let's count the electron. 10, 20, 30, 36. 36 electron, isn't it?
yes.
Until 4p. So until 4p is actually, it is krypton. 36 electron.
Oh,
Simplifies to writing the electronic configuration like this. Iodine 53 will be equal to configuration of krypton, which is 36, and then after 36 I'm going to write 5s
5s2,
4d10 and 5p5. Now it has become very simple, isn't it?
yes.
So you can use this helping element. So for example, for bromine, I can put also the helping element for bromine. Bromine 35. How I can make it simple? So 10, 20, 36 35 ya. So 36 cannot be, so 18 can be used. So argon, Ar 18, 18 sampai mana? 10 sampai sini ya? Isn't it?
Sampai 3
3
3P.
after 3P. So after argon, it will be 4s2, 3b10, and 4p5. So this is the simplest electronic configuration for bromine. So you can use this as a helping element to write the electronic configuration. Okay, is it clear, guys? Do you have any question? Yes?
Sir, I want to ask.
Yes, please.
Can I say in bahasa
Yes, please.
yang 35BR itu nentuin magnetik ini bagaimana, Pak?
Which one?
Yang M910 itu bagaimana caranya, Pak?
Magnet, which one? Which? Say it again, please.
Yang nentuin M sama dengan 0 itu bagaimana, Pak?
This one.
The L, sir. Yes.
This is. You mean this?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
This one is the orientation. So look at the orbital. For example, for P we have 3 orbital. 1, 2, 3, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. Now,
Yes.
we have 5 electron. So first up, 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 then down, down. If it is the last electron that we will find, so this is the last electron. So the last electron is in orbital 0. So that's why ML is 0. If I'm asking you this electron, for example, elektron yang ini ML-nya berapa?
-1.
-1.
Lihat angka di bawahnya, -1. So that's
Yes,
why for
-1.
electron ML will be -1. So you're going to look at the number under the orbital. So I can write like this, maybe to make it clear. If S only have 1 orbital, so the value of ML only can possible 0. If P have 3 orbital, 1, 2, 3, the possible value for ML is -1, 0, +1. For D, it is how many orbital? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the possible value of ML is -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. And for F, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orbital. The possible value is -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, and +3. It depends in which orbital is the electron. If it is in here, so the ML value will be 0. If it is in here, the electron that we want to find the address, then the ML value will be +1. Okay, and so on. So it depends which electron that you will find the address. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any other question?
Sir,
Yeah.
I ask,
Yes, please.
can I use bahasa?
Yes.
Aduh, di slide sebelumnya tadi bisa enggak? Ke slide yang sebelum tadi, Pak.
Hilang, dihapus.
Ya udah. Tadi kan ada 1 S, ada pangkatnya kan 1, terus selanjutnya gitu kan. Tadi ada kayak 4P, ada yang 5, ada yang 6 gitu kan.
Yes.
Itu kok bisa berubah gitu? Ngitungnya gimana, Pak? Saya
It
nggak
depends on the number of electron. For example, sodium 11, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s. Now, this 3s cannot be 2. Why cannot be 2? Because we have only 11 electron. Di sini sudah 2, di sini sudah 2, di sini sudah 6. Berapa totalnya?
10.
10.
Tinggal berapa elektron kita?
1.
1.
So can I write here 2 here?
1.
No.
Cannot be 2 here because we have only 1 electron remaining. So that's why this is 1 here. But if I have, for example, number 12, let's say that an atom that have 12 electron. Kalau ada 12 elektronnya, ya X-nya any atom ya. Then it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s.
2.
Karena 12. If I have, the example is aluminum. Aluminum is 13. Then 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. After that,
3P1.
3P1.
apakah 6 di sini? Of course
No.
not. Because we have 13 electron, 2, 2, 6, 2 sudah 12. So this is 1.
1.
So yang terakhir, the last orbital will be the remaining electron. That's why the number here can change. Tidak maksimum. This is changing the number ya. Depends on how many electron you have. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
We run out the time. This is almost finished. In the second hour, we are going to study in WhatsApp group, not in Google Classroom. Okay, we are not going to use Google Classroom, but we are going to use WhatsApp group. We are going to start at 1 o'clock, inshallah. That's enough for today. See you next lesson. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.